A bit of breadcrumbs, add a little fish. The kids next door are almost drooling. Today, I found the snail shells from before that I didn't throw away. Can you guess what I'm going to make? Spray some water on the clay. Sprinkle some plaster powder. After it dries, add some color to it. Add some gray to the rocks. Now you can see the texture of the rocks. I bet you already guessed what I'm making. Mix quartz sand with ochre and white to create the look of beach sand. Suddenly I noticed the inside of the shell is really dark. Now it's bright. I also made a tiny little goldfish. Add some UV resin. Drip some dye into the shell. Then place the little goldfish in. Can you see what I'm making now? Create some wave textures on the surface of the resin. Doesn't it look like waves? Let's add some small grass on the rocks beside it. Look at the tiny beach I made with the seashell. Do you like it? If you have some old seashells